Hello friends, welcome to your channel. In the last tutorial, we have created this app from scratch using the Firebase Firestore database. In this video, we will change the database from Firebase Firestore to real-time database. Links of the previous tutorial is in the top right I button and also in the description. Our project is already connected to the Firebase. First, we will be required Firebase real-time database dependencies. We will click on Tools, then Firebase. In the Firebase Assistance, we will click on Real-time database. Then get started with real-time database. We could see connect your app to Firebase. It is already connected. We require the dependencies. We will click on Add the real-time database SDK to your app. Then in the pop-up Accept changes, Firebase Assistance will automatically add the dependencies to our app level build.gradle file. Now we will go to the Firebase console and will select the same project that we have used for Firebase Firestore database. Click on real-time database on the left hand side, then click on create database. Here real-time database location, we will keep it default. Click next. Here in the radio button, click start in test mode, then enable. In Firebase real-time database, it is really JSON objects key value pairs we need to create. We'll click on plus icon first and we will give only name like counter. Then on the right hand side of the like counter, we will click on plus icon. Again only give name 1. I have opened the CCD website for the coffee names. You could use any other name. I copied the name, then click the plus icon on the right hand side of the one row. In name, I will write name itself, and in value, we will paste the coffee name. Then click on add. Again, click on the plus icon on one. Now key name will be likes and value 0. Then click add button. Now to add second subchild of like counter, we will click on plus button on the like counter. The subchild name will be 2, value not required. We will click on plus icon on the right hand side of the row. Name will be name itself and value I will copy from CCD website and will paste here. Then click add. Name likes value 0, then click on add button. Similarly, I have added another 6 subchild of like counter, total 8, and their subchild names are name and likes. So our Firebase real-time database entries are ready. We will go to the Firebase Firestore real-time database documentation. Documentation link is in the description. Under the heading get a database reference, we will copy this line first and will paste it in top. We will change the variable name to db and will comment the Firebase Firestore db. We will again go to the documentation and will copy the line for initializing database reference. We'll comment the previous Firebase Firestore initialization and will paste the line that we have copied from documentation. Variable name db. In get reference parameter, we will write like counter. It is the name of the key in Firebase real-time database. We will comment the previous code db.collection block. Again, we will go to the documentation. Below the heading read data once, we will copy this code and will paste inside the onCreate method of the activity. Rename the variable name to db. We do not need this child because we need the whole JSON. For this purpose, we will remove these two childs from here. And inside the else block, task is successful. Data snapshot assign task.get result. Data snapshot has the whole JSON, but now we require childs 1 to 8 we have created there. We are using for loop data snapshot get children. A single data snapshot is a JSON object. For example, 1 and value is name and likes. First line is key data snapshot get keys. Second line counter model assign data snapshot get value in the parameter counter model dot class. Third line counter model set document id. We will set the key as the document id. Key is 1 2 3 4 etc. for example. Then we will add in the counter list counter model. Below the for loop adapter assign new counter adapter in the parameter passing the counter list. Then RecyclerView set adapter in the parameter passing adapter. In the top of the loop, we need to clear the counter list. For that purpose, counter list.clear. Now we need to go inside the view holder class. Inside update in Firestore method, comment these 3 lines that we were previously using to update in Firebase Firestore. Here we need to write db.child and in the parameter model.getDocumentId, then .child. We want to update the number of likes, so we need to write likes and then set value and in the parameter passing updated number of likes. Now our code is complete. We could run the app. I will run it using my real mobile device using the USB cable. Before running the app, please uninstall the previous app where we were using Firebase Firestore database, because in the shared preference previous like and dislike record is already there. For that purpose, we could either clear the data or uninstall the previous app first. Thank you for watching this video. I keep uploading videos like this regularly. To keep watching my videos, please subscribe to the channel and like and comment in the video.